Deep in the ocean, where the water is dark and full of surprises, lives one of the coolest animals on the planet, the shark. But have you ever wondered, what does the ocean look like through a shark's eyes? Let's dive in and find out. Sharks don't see the ocean the way we do. While we see bright colors like red, yellow, and purple, sharks mostly see in shades of blue and green. It's kind of like watching an old movie with only a few colors. But don't worry, sharks don't need bright colors to be amazing hunters. Imagine if you could see in the dark like a superhero. Well, sharks can, behind their eyes. They have something special called the tapetum lucidum. It acts like a mirror, helping them see in really dark water. That means even when it's nighttime in the ocean, sharks can still spot their next meal. Sharks don't just look for shapes, they look for movement. If a fish stays super still, a shark might not see it, but the moment it wiggles, bam, the shark knows it's there. That's why when small fish see a shark, they try to freeze like a statue to stay safe. Sharks have eyes on the sides of their heads, which means they can see almost everything around them, like having built-in rearview mirrors. But guess what? They do have two small blind spots, right in front of their nose and right behind their tail. So if a tiny fish hides in those spots, the shark might not see it right away. If you were a shark, the ocean wouldn't be bright and colorful. It would look mostly blue, a little green, and full of moving shadows. A fish swimming would stand out, but a rock staying still might disappear into the background. It's a whole different way to see the world. Sharks may not see the world like we do, but they have the perfect vision for life in the ocean with super night vision, almost 360-degree sight, and their special eye shield. They are amazing underwater hunters. So next time you think about sharks, remember, they see the ocean in a way that's totally unique.